Ever heard that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis? Well, it's time to break this myth apart. Science has shown no correlation between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The audible pop you hear? It's just gas bubbles bursting in the fluid cushioning your joints. That's right, no harm done. Still, incessant knuckle cracking could lead to some issues. Reduced hand strength and swollen fingers, to name a few. So while it won't give you arthritis, moderation is still key. Hope you've enjoyed this myth-busting session. Remember, it's always good to question and seek truth. Stay curious, stay informed, and subscribe for more.